Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing yet again another like mini shop with me vlog slash haul. And I'm going to be going to Target. I'm going to be going to probably a Marshall's and Home Goods that's on the way. Because I'm not going to be going to my local Target. They don't have what I'm looking for. I'm on the hunt for something that hit TikTok, so obviously it's nowhere around me. You guys, I literally have my cap because we were gonna go to only Target, but now that I'm realizing we have to go to Home Goods and stuff, she's probably not gonna be able to come. I'm sorry. We have to take her back in the house. I'm also gonna be going for a couple of other things as well. I need to get some shower stuff for my new shower. I'm filming this in the very beginning of November, but you guys are probably gonna see this video more around December just because I have a whole series going up about like my room transformation since my sister's moving. The reason I'm mentioning it's November though when I'm filming this is because stores are starting to put their Christmas tables out with their gifts and decor on it, so that's what I'm basically going for. Like, I'm so excited for Christmas this year. So I will see you guys after a long drive. I think they literally have all of them but the one candy cane, unless if it's somewhere else in like a seasonal section. But I'm also gonna get this Cocoa Culotta because I still need like a regular one for like every day. They actually did have it in a different aisle. The app said it was like 5 aisles away from like where they put all the other ones. It was like with the Christmas seasonal stuff. It smells really good and it's not too overpowering, which is really good. It does have like a minty type of like scent to it, but it's not like horrible. I'm gonna need to go get a cart, that's for sure. I actually made a list of all the stuff on the Target app that I'm here for, and it tells you like where they are, like all the aisle numbers, which is amazing. The theme of the shower is gonna be like pink, so I'm not going to be going like overboard with pink because I want to keep like the bathroom itself neutral, but for in shower products I'm doing pink. I need a new body wash and I think I'm going to get this one. I heard it's really good and it's pink, which is just like a bonus. I'm not gonna lie, it's really hot shopping in this because like obviously it's cold outside, so like it's fitting for like when I'm walking into the store, but once I get in there, like I'm sweating. So my camera actually died and I didn't bring a spare battery because it was charged when I left, but it must have been like at the very lowest of the third battery, so it looked like it was fully charged, but it wasn't. We're now at Michael's and I think that they'll have like the perfect tree. As you can see, they have some outside and I'm pretty sure they're 40% off today. I also want to shop for Christmas in general, but I did see a tree that was a 7-foot pre-lit pencil tree, which is what I need. I'm gonna put it in this one specific corner of my room that I'm picturing, and I need like a skinny tall one for over there. In my old room, how I would decorate, I had like a mini tree, like literally the size of that, and it would go in my dresser, but now that I have an actual tree, I'm gonna need accessories for it, like a tree skirt, some cute ornaments, maybe some garland. So we ended up getting the tree. It was $80, which isn't bad. It's a pre-lit snowfall tree. Okay, I'm now at the Target close by me, and this stuff is so freaking cute. There's this huge 40 count for $20 with like a bunch of different ornaments, but I don't need that much. I don't know what size tree skirt to get because it's not like a regular big tree, but it's also not like a tiny tree like that, so I'm not really sure. Surprisingly, the tree topper is the only thing I'm gonna get from Target. I think I can find the ornaments and garland way cheaper on Amazon. I literally was not expecting to be shopping for this long. I started shopping around like 10:30 and it's now 1:30. I was expected to be done by like 12. But now we're on our way to Burlington because it's right next door. This is really pretty. I don't know again what size I would need for my tree. This is for a 56 inch. I don't know. Look at this big thing of ornaments. 100 for 35 bucks. It's pretty good. This is really nice. I think they're all just like 54, 56 inch. That's like all I'm seeing. I would definitely need probably the smallest, a 54. Even Five Below is starting to have their Christmas stuff out. Maybe this is the place for stockings. I'll get 2 of these. So I'm finishing up a little after 2 and I am going to end off this video here. I'm going to go get Panera and then I'm literally going to head to work. So I spent literally my whole day shopping, but I'm going to give you guys a haul. I got this cute sparkly tree topper. I didn't get any ornaments, tree skirts, or garland. If anything's going to be sparkly on the tree, it's going to be the tree topper. I'll probably just get plain silver and white ornaments. And then I don't know what I'm going to do for garland. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to find like a tree skirt that fits that tree. So I might just leave it plain. I then just went to Five Below and I got 2 furry stockings for me and Darian for in my room. From Target, I got the Candy Cane Tree Hut Scrub. I'm really excited to use this and see if I really like the smell in the shower, because I feel like that's the real test. Like, I've already smelled body washes and lotions that I loved the smell of, like, in the bottle and the container, and then like I use it in the shower, or I actually like put it on myself and I like don't like it, or it's too strong. This obviously isn't one of my favorite scents. Like, I couldn't wear this every day, but I think for the holiday season, if it's like a really cozy snowing day outside or like Christmas Eve, like this is so cute to have. And it's gonna last me a while, especially because I'm gonna use it only like 2 months out of the year. So I also got this one for all year round. It's just a coconut culotta tree hut scrub, which smells obviously like coconut. Coconut is my favorite smell for any type of body care, like the shower or after shower care, just because it smells so fresh and clean. I got this Olay body wash, which also smells similar to the coconut scrub. It's more like vanilla, but not too vanilla, because I don't really like vanilla, so it's like a perfect mix. Lastly, I got this Flamingo shaving gel. If you guys have tried this, please let me know down below. I'm curious if it will be good and like what it smells like. I don't know. Like I said, I'm gonna go eat, but that concludes this haul. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below if your favorite holiday is Christmas, or if it's not, what it is. YouTube is so bad right now. I'm literally only doing these vlogs for the people that regularly watch my videos, and I want to stay up to date with me, but when I'm not on here, I'm definitely on my socials, Snapchat, Instagram, so you can go follow me there. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.